Here is a 15-step ultimate guide for beginners to discover the secrets of online advertising for free in 2024. Step 1. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal customer demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you create targeted ads that resonate with your audience. Step 2. Choose the right platforms. Select the most suitable online advertising platforms for your business, such as Facebook, Google Ads, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Step 3. Set up your ad account. Create a new ad account on your chosen platform and set up your business profile. This will help you manage your ads and track their performance. Step 4. Set your ad budget. Decide on a budget for your ad campaign and set it according to your budget. You can start with a small budget and adjust it as needed. Step 5. Create your ad content. Design eye-catching ad visuals, write compelling ad copy, and craft a clear call to action, CTA. Make sure your ad content is relevant to your target audience. Step 6. Choose your ad format. Select the most suitable ad format for your business goals, such as image ads, video ads, or sponsored content. Step 7. Target your audience. Use demographic targeting, interest targeting, and behavior targeting to reach your ideal audience. You can also use lookalike targeting to reach new audiences similar to your existing customers. Step 8. Set your bidding strategy. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your business goals, such as cost per click, CPC, or cost per thousand impressions, CPM. Step 9. Optimize your ad rotation. Create multiple ad versions and rotate them regularly to optimize ad performance. Use A/B testing to determine which ad performs best. Step 10. Monitor your ad performance. Track your ad performance using analytics tools such as Google Analytics or Facebook Insights. Monitor metrics like click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Step 11. Optimize your landing page. Ensure your landing page is relevant to your ad content and provides a seamless user experience. Optimize your landing page for conversions by testing different elements. Step 12. Utilize retargeting ads. Use retargeting ads to reach users who have interacted with your brand or website before. Retargeting ads can help increase conversions and reduce churn rates. Step 13. Leverage user-generated content. Use user-generated content, UGC, in your ads to increase engagement and credibility. UGC can be in the form of reviews, testimonials, or social media posts. Step 14. Run promotions and offers. Run promotions and offers to incentivize users to take action. Use urgency tactics like limited-time offers or scarcity messaging to drive conversions. Step 15. Continuously optimize and refine. Continuously monitor and optimize your ad campaigns based on performance data. Refine your targeting, ad content, and bidding strategy to improve ROI. Additional tips. Start with a small test campaign to test waters. Use humor, emotion, or storytelling in your ads. Use customer reviews and ratings in your ads. Utilize email marketing to retarget users who have abandoned their shopping carts. Monitor for negative sentiment and respond promptly to customer complaints. By following these 15 steps, you can create an effective online advertising strategy that drives conversions and grows your business without breaking the bank.